Hi friends, let's see day one. Wow! Color pink. See you tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day two. Wow! It makes a poppy noise. Listen. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day three. Oh. Wow! It's a water game. The container is yellow, the buttons are orange. Inside we have a purple flower. And we have yellow and red and green bowls. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 4. Come, 4. Wow! It's a marble fidget toy. This toy is color blue. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 5. 5. Cool! It's a yellow and blue fidget toy. Rectangle. Square, diamond. You can use it as a bracelet. Look, it's a blue and yellow snake. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 6. Come, 6. Wow! It's a blue bouncing party. It's the color blue. Wow! Nice, stretchy. Bounce it and stretch it. It's so cool. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 7. Come, 7. Wow! It's a keychain puppet. This is red, this is purple. the outside is white. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hi friend, let's see what's inside the 8. Wow! We got 2 stretchy noodles. 1, 2. You can throw them. You can twist them together like a braid. You can also play with nuts. Here's another kind of nut. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hi friend, let's see what's inside day 9. 9. It's a squishy dough ball. This one's color pink. When you squeeze that, you can see white dough. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hi friend, let's see what's inside day 10. 10. Wow! It's a nut and bolt fidget toy. The nut is green and the bolt is blue. I like this toy because it practices my fingers. When I turn the nut, it goes up and down. I can also put on my pencil. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 11. 11. Wow! It's a pea popper fidget toy. Look what's inside. This fidget toy is color green. Look, there's a face. So cute. Join me tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 12. 12! What's this? It's a zipper bracelet. My one is red and white. Let's try it on. See you tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Look, it's a heart. Hi friends, let's see what says ID 13. 13. It's a shitty poop. It's the color brown. See you tomorrow. Like and subscribe. subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what this 1914. 14. Come on, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's find out. Wow! This is stretchy string unicorn. It's so fun. This is color yellow. Look, it became a bracelet. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside the 15. 15. Come on, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15! Come on, let's look inside. It's a minion push-up. A minion's color yellow. Ew, the color of the lollipop is pink and red. I'll eat this tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 16. 16. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16. Okay, let's see what's inside day 16. Wow. It's a puppet keychain. This one's color blue. Let's count the pops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 17. 17. Come on guys, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Let's see what's inside. It's a mini jar of Nutella. Yay! Nutella's my favorite. Come on, let's open it. Nutella! Now it's open. Let's try it out. Wow, it's so yummy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Remember, careful of the knife. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 18. 18. Come on friends, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. See what's inside. It's a color changing potty. Let's open it. This potty is color orange, but it can change color. Let's find out. Look, it's changing. I think it's changing into yellow. I rub it some more. Ta-da! Change it back to orange. Put it somewhere cold. Now it's red-orange. Look. See you tomorrow. Like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 19. 19! Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19! Okay, let's see what's inside day 19. Wow! A pack of creepers! There are 6 colors. The colors are orange, yellow, purple, blue, pink, green. Come on, let's play. Yeah. 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 Wait, let's race them. Okay, Mr. Bunny, what colors are you picking? I'm picking green and blue. Ready, set, go! Orange and yellows are winning! They're winning! But they're still going. Yay, Mr. Bunny, you won! Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 20. 20! Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20! See what's inside. I'm so excited. Kinder Egg! The Kinder Surprise Egg! It's time to open the egg. Let's taste the chocolate. It's crumpled. Compress his mouth and make some print. cool. Thanks for watching and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Hi friends, let's say months inside day 21. 21! Come on friends, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let's see ones inside. I'm so excited. It's a pop in a cup. Peekaboo, 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 peekaboo. The pop's color is turquoise. Turquoise is a special color. It's a color between blue and green. Ta-da! It's the same color as this one. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Ta-da! Hi friends, that's your one since day 22. 22. Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. This is a fun toy. It's a fidget spinner bracelet. My one has 4 colors. Blue, pink, turquoise, beige. Let's try it on. Shoo! Let's count the pops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pops. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Hi friends, let's see what's inside day 23. 23. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. It's a glow-in-the-dark lab putty. Come on, let's open it. Look. Hey, puppy. It's white. This putty's color white. It's stretchy. It's glow in the dark. Let's find out. Wow. It glows. It glows. It glows. It's like glows. Looks like a ghost. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Hi friends, I have 2 months since I day 24. 24. Come on, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Come on, let's open it. Snowman. It's a hot chocolate snowman. Let's drink it. Hi, Mr. Snowman. Time to put some milk. It's hot, it's smoking. Marshmallows. There's more. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Hi friends, that's Dylan since like day 25. 25. Ta-da! Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Come on, let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. It's a liquid motion bubbler. My one has 2 colors, pink and yellow. Let's see how it works. So cool. Thanks for watching. Thank you, subscribe. See you tomorrow. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.